Hey there, folks. Have you ever found yourself staring at an ATM screen, frustrated because your Mastercard PIN is blocked? Don't worry. It's a common issue, and I'm here to guide you through the process of unblocking it step by step. Today, we're diving into how to unblock a Mastercard PIN so you can get back to your transactions without any hassle. First off, let's quickly cover why this happens. Typically, a PIN gets blocked after multiple incorrect entries as a security measure to protect your account from unauthorized access. It's your card's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. But the good news is, it's usually easy to fix. Step 1. Stay calm and assess the situation. Double check if you've got the right PIN written down or memorized correctly. If you're sure it's blocked, your next move is to contact your bank or card issuer. Most banks have a 24/7 customer service line, so grab your card details and give them a call. You'll need to verify your identity, so have things like your full name, account number, and perhaps some security questions ready. Once you're on the line, explain that your PIN is blocked and provide the necessary information. The representative will guide you through the unblocking process, which often involves resetting your PIN. Some banks allow you to do this via their mobile app or online banking portal, so if you're tech savvy, check if that's an option for you. It can save time. A quick tip. If you're traveling or in a hurry, look for nearby bank branches where you can visit in person. They might unblock it on the spot after verifying your details. Remember, security is key, so never share sensitive information like your PIN over the phone or email. After unblocking, test your new PIN at an ATM or point-of-sale terminal to make sure everything works. And to prevent this in the future, always keep your PIN secure and consider using biometric options if your card supports it. There you have it. Unblocking your Mastercard PIN doesn't have to be a nightmare. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.